The next group of titles are going to go into CSS page layout. We've talked about creating our boxes, creating our CSS, throwing our CSS into HTML divs, but now it's time to actually lay out some pages, and some very strange things are going to happen. So in the next couple of titles, what we want to do is we already have a page. We've got a header, content, and a footer. We're going to throw a nav bar in across the top. Then we want to put in a header. We want to have a sidebar and then a footer down here with the nav bar. And then finally we want to get into the header blah, blah, blah. Now, the way our page is set up right now, let's pull Dreamweaver up here. The way we're set up right now, the page is going over to the left. And of course, we would want that centered in the page. And then notice this white spot up here at the top of the page. I mean, that's going to show up in the browser. We want that yellow header showing up right at the top of the page. And here we get into a couple of concepts that are very strange. And the main concept, and then when we get to the left and right bars, we get into some other very strange concepts, and they each deserve their own little video segment. So what we're going to go into the next segment is resetting the basic HTML language so that things like this space up here doesn't happen. We also want to get into the concept so that we can center this page. We'll make that a code snippet. And then finally, we want to get into the magical concept of float left.